So I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this Sabrent Rocket Extreme 5, which is an external Thunderbolt 5 NVMe SSD. And I've been doing quite a bit of development work on large language models and very large data sets. And so I'm on a MacBook Pro that doesn't have 4 terabytes of storage. So I needed a very fast, capable external storage. The one I had been using, which has been this SanDisk Professional 1 terabyte, it's been really good, but it is not as fast as I need it to be. So let's look at this. At the time of filming, this was $600, or 1 penny shy of $600. It comes in this metal case, which I found surprising. It's my first Sabrent purchase. So yeah, it opens up like a book, and you get some paperwork, how to use it, etc., etc. Interesting. Okay, so this is it. And I'm assuming this is a silicone protector, and yeah, it is. So comparing sizes, I'm sure that this is in a rubberized armor. I've dropped this a couple of times, but usually I don't have, but it was always on carpet. Like, I don't know why we need them to be so armored, but anyway, that's what that is. It seems to come in and out of that relatively easy. Oh, look, so it has feet. It's pretty secure. So, but let's keep it in this armor coating. Very nice. And I'm assuming in case you want to see what the back looks like there. And I don't know that I showed you the back of that. And I'm assuming this is the cable. A little treat. Don't eat those. So it is a Thunderbolt 5 cable. My first Thunderbolt 5 purchase as well. My MacBook is an M3, so it has Thunderbolt 4, but this is backward compatible. This looks to be about 18 inches long, I think. Maybe a little bit longer. Maybe 24 inches, more like it. Anyway, there you go. Thunderbolt 5 cable. Let's see if that's a satisfying click. Yes, it is. There you go. It is a 4 terabyte external Thunderbolt 5 NVMe SSD called the Sabrent Rocket Extreme 5. I will post some Blackmagic disk results on screen for you.